periodic billing and milestone billing. Yes. So what is periodic billing? What is milestone billing? I'll give you some examples. You will easily understand it. iPhone, or rather you take Comcast. Your Comcast regular internet or whatever, right? You pay dollars, how much? 30 per month, right? $30 per month, Comcast. And you keep paying $30 per month every month until your connection is there. If Comcast were to implement SAP, how would they want to do it? They would want to go to VA01, create an order, like whatever, that line item, quantity 1, and they would put a start date, end date, and in pricing, they'll put a start date of today and then end date of whatever. And in pricing, the pricing condition type would be defined differently. Pricing condition type, for example, call it CBRX, would be defined as a monthly price. Okay, and that monthly price will keep recurring from the start date to the end date. Now, once this is created, it's done. That's it. So if you go to the billing plan in that line item, there will be a set of dates. Each date corresponds to 1 month. That period, whatever it is. It could be month, it could be week, it could be quarterly, or whatever. And every time this BF04 runs, it will see if there is any billing that is due. And if it is due, it will create a billing document. So this order will create one billing document in the month of Jan, one billing document in the month of February, March, April, May. And these are not just generally created manually. These are all created using BF04, automatic billing process. Okay, so this is the background behind periodic billing. Milestone billing is also similar. Only thing is, it doesn't happen periodically. The examples for milestone billing is, let's say, Deloitte is doing a project for Apple. Okay, so they're doing a new implementation, and then they're going to write a contract. Right? That contract is going to contain different milestones. Okay, what is the total amount? Let's say $10 million. And it's a fixed price project. $10 million, it doesn't matter how many resources you use, whatever, it doesn't matter. Now, the milestones will be written something like this. Okay, blueprint completion, 10%. Realization, 30%. Go live, 40%. After hypercare is done, 20%. Just giving a very rough example. This is called milestone billing, where you create milestones, and each milestone will represent a particular percentage. A more reasonable example for this milestone billing is generally conventional projects, like some installation, like some company has taken a contract to install a particular thing in a refinery. Now, it could be a blast furnace or it could be a refinery column, so on. So they'll define dates and milestones. For each milestone, a fixed amount will be paid or a fixed percentage will be paid. That's very normal, right? This is called milestone billing. Now, in SD, milestone billing as such is used very rarely. When milestone billing is used, another module called PS comes into picture generally, project systems. And then there is something called as WB elements, WBS. There are some complications there which we don't get into. Most of the time in SD, if at all we use these kinds of billing, periodic billing is the one that is used the most. Okay? Now, how do you do this periodic or how do you configure this periodic billing? Go to SPRO, and I log out. ING, Sales and Distribution, billing, sales documents, sales document item, define item categories, take a tab, billing relevance, and billing plan type. Okay, this is where you specify whether a particular item category is relevant for periodic billing or milestone billing. So this is what kicks out or associates a billing plan to a particular item. An example, if you wanted to see, was that what was that? The example that we have seen is 1014.00, and what was the example that we have done there? 2141, and repair service, put an order quantity 1. Somebody has changed something. Actually, this is not proper. We need to see the billing plan here. Why we are not able to see it? Document has no checking group. Somebody changed this material? It should not be TAN in this case. It should be something else for billing plan. Just give you a couple of minutes, okay? Yeah, man. I don't think I can show you a demo. I need that item category, and that item category was changed. So I don't think I can show you a demo here. Let me show you a demo at later point. I think I'll fix this. I'll find out what is the item category that we should correspond to, and I'll show you a demo at a later point. Okay, I'm stopping this demo right here. Somebody has changed that material, and